In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a task tracker in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the full setup process so you can build a tracker that's simple to use, easy to update, and helpful for keeping work organized. The goal is to create one central place where tasks can be listed, assigned, monitored, and reviewed over time. Start by opening Smartsheet and creating a new task tracker sheet. When you create a fresh sheet, you're giving yourself a clean workspace that can be customized around your project or team's needs. This is the foundation of the tracker, so take a moment to make sure you're starting with the right sheet type and a clear name that reflects what the tracker will be used for. Next, add the columns you need to manage your tasks effectively. Include columns for task name, owner, start date, due date, priority, and status. Each of these plays an important role. The task name makes it easy to identify the work being done. The owner column shows who is responsible. Start and due dates help with scheduling and deadlines. Priority allows you to highlight what matters most. And status helps everyone quickly understand whether a task has not started, is in progress, or has been completed. Once the structure is in place, enter all of your tasks into the sheet. Try to make each task clear and specific so there's no confusion later. A well-written task name makes the tracker much easier to scan, especially when the list starts to grow. After that, assign each task to the correct person. This step is essential because it creates accountability and helps prevent tasks from being overlooked. Make sure each task has the right owner so everyone knows what they're responsible for. To make the tracker easier to work with, use filters to view tasks by owner, status, or priority. Filters are especially useful when you want to focus on a certain person's workload, check which tasks are overdue or still in progress, or review only the highest priority items. This helps you quickly find the information you need without sorting through the entire sheet every time. You can also add automations for reminders or overdue tasks. This is a great way to keep work moving without relying entirely on manual follow-up. Automated reminders help task owners stay on schedule, and overdue alerts make it easier to spot delays early. Finally, update the tracker regularly to monitor progress. A task tracker is only useful if it stays current. So make it a habit to review statuses, adjust dates when needed, and confirm task ownership as work evolves. With consistent updates, your Smartsheet tracker becomes a reliable tool for staying organized and keeping projects on track.